just making sure I'm getting 2.7K video. I'm like, gosh, that would suck if I didn't get 2.7K. So let's go around here. Let's start turning in to that pretty stuff in there. And we're dumping battery very, very fast right now. So let's get that view back. Look at that. Look at that. We are so high. That is Hey, this is Dad Random, and I am at a wedding, and actually I'm helping out my daughter. She's doing a little catering job, and I'm out here helping out a little bit, but look at what's behind me. Look at that. Right out there, if you look at that, there's a spot out there, that little peak, and that peak is really kind of a famous peak around here. It's called Molly's Nipple. So I'm gonna check to see if I can fly here, and if I can, I'm gonna fly the Mini to the top of Molly's Nipple and back. Let's try it out. Let's see. Isn't that funny? Maybe a funny name for a rock, but yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go up there. Let's try it out. Dad Random. Now, if I can't fly here, I think I can though. But if I can't, this is a golf course, so I'm gonna get you some views. It's really pretty here. It's one of the most gorgeous spots, and it's brand new. They're just putting it up. All right, so there's no advisories. The airspace is open. All right, let's fly. Let's do it. I don't know if I can. It's pretty windy, so we'll see. It could be a little dicey. It's not as far as you think either, but it does have some challenges because it does tend to be windy around here. So at the least, I'll get a beautiful panorama for you to see. All right, the Mini 2 SE going to challenge the this area. Ooh, it's a little bit windy. I can already feel it. We might not make it, but we'll give it a shot. All right, Copper Rock at Copper Rock. All right, I'm checking off clear for takeoff. It says no active advisories as long as I'm below 500 meters, which is okay. 500 meters is well above my legal limit anyway, so we're good. We are in a good area. Let's fly. Let's go. Let's take off. All right, here we go. Dad Random. We're up. I am ready to go. And we should be able to check out the area. So what I want to do is maybe just check out the course. Maybe we are in sport mode right now. So what I want to do is I want to check out to make sure, because it is windy. Check out if I can fight the wind, because that's quite a flight. And it's really beautiful. So maybe I should just play it safe today. We are flying the Mini, guys. So our auto exposure is now locked. Let's go ahead and bring it over here. Having a little bit of breakup. Very pretty out here. And it is new for me, so I'm kind of taking it slow. But we seem to be fine. The wind, she kicks up every so often though. All right, now we're overexposed. There we go. Leave her in auto exposure. But go normal. Let's go to sport and let's see if I can get my speed up a little bit. Yeah, we're hitting 30. But I'm getting some RC breakup, and I don't know what's causing that. I guess we could go fly. We could go fly over. Let's go over there. Let's go along the. Let's go over this open area. Let's play it safe today, and let's go fly over that to those arches. And we are flying next to a massive cliff, so. Gosh, we're getting some breakup. So there it is. There's some pretty cool flight altitude. Now we get that off there. So we're right up against that cliff over there. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Look at that. That is way cool. That is amazing. So let's go slow around here a little bit. Let's take it down to about 60, 65. I am flying in sport mode, so we're going to take it down to 65. We'll get some cliff. Like I said, I'm having still a little bit of hiccuping here. Just making sure I'm getting 2.7K video. I'm like, gosh, that would suck if I didn't get 2.7K. So let's go around here. Let's start turning in to that pretty stuff in there. And we're dumping battery very, very fast right now. So let's get that view back. Look at that. Look at that. We are so high. That is pretty out there, isn't it? Hurricane Valley. All right. Let's take it over here. That is pretty. Well, we didn't make it to our goal, but you know what? Not today. Not today. So let's head back to the golf course. Let's head back over to the golf course. Into the sun. Hopefully we'll get some auto. Get our image here re-established. There we go. We'll go back pretty much straight over, so we don't have just dirt and altitude to look at. But it's gonna be a little rougher flying back, so we're getting some sport mode warnings saying, hey, your gimbal is not going to be as. I did put it in max gimbal, so it's doing this. I can't raise my gimbal any further, so we are at max. So we might have to go we might have to get down low to get home. So we'll get out here over the desert and we will get our altitude down and use the remaining amount of battery, playing it safe. We did get a cool view of the arch, didn't we? We'll go get a real beautiful view here of this hole at the top of the hill. Since we got enough battery to do it. So I think, yeah, we're over here. We should be heading this way. Oh, that is so pretty, isn't it? That is gorgeous. I love golf courses. They are so much fun. Go down the fairway. And just feel like a golf ball right now. Goofball, golf ball. All right, we got it. We got to head her back. All right. So we're going to let it do its thing. A little higher than I wanted to, but that's kind of where we need to be anyway. What's nice about pushing return to home temporarily, very shortly, is it orientates you. So you get reoriented. Here, turn that off to the direction where you're at. So it just makes it easier. So just a little reorientation. Go over the area that I'm. Pretty cool area, isn't it? Don't you want to live there? There's your lap pool down there. I'm up here at the top of the hill, enjoying my evening as it's sun's going down. There we go. There's Dad Random. See, I didn't even park in the fire lane. And you can see I've got the orange stealth props on it. Got that right there. You can see it. And let's get over in front of us here. There. All right. We got our flight in. We got our golden hour flight in. I love it when that happens. So for Dad Random and the Mini 2 SE, you got a chance to look at a Utah arch. So there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed that flight. So I'm out of here. Dad Random, enjoying the Mini 2, flying for fun. It's about dang time. Later. Bye.